Dodge the spotlight. Mastering the art of staying under the radar. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, dodge the spotlight. This expression has a figurative meaning that's quite useful in everyday conversation. Let's unravel its meaning, origins, and how you can use it effectively in your communication. Stay tuned as we shine a light on this intriguing phrase. The phrase, dodge the spotlight, refers to the act of avoiding attention or publicity. Imagine a spotlight on a stage that highlights or focuses on someone. To dodge means to move quickly to avoid being hit or seen. So, when someone tries to dodge the spotlight, they are essentially attempting to stay out of the focus or limelight, often to keep a low profile or avoid drawing attention to themselves. While the exact origins of the phrase are not clear, it's easy to understand its metaphorical basis. The concept of a spotlight has long been associated with theater and performances, where a literal spotlight illuminates performers on stage. To dodge the spotlight, then, draws from this theatrical context, suggesting a desire not to be in the center of attention, similar to an actor avoiding the beam of a spotlight. Dodge the spotlight can be used in various contexts. In professional situations, when someone prefers to work behind the scenes rather than being the face of a project. In social settings, when an individual avoids sharing too much about themselves or shies away from being the center of attention at social gatherings. In public life, when public figures or celebrities seek to maintain their privacy and avoid media attention. To use it in a sentence, despite her achievements, she always tries to dodge the spotlight, preferring to let her work speak for itself. 1. For humility, he's always dodging the spotlight, even though he's the best player on the team. 2. For privacy, after the movie's success, she dodged the spotlight to focus on her family. 3. In professional contexts, the CEO often dodges the spotlight, letting her team receive the credit for their hard work. Dodge the spotlight is a fascinating phrase that captures the essence of humility, privacy, and the desire to remain unobtrusive. It's a useful expression in both professional and personal contexts, allowing us to describe situations where being out of the limelight is preferred. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use dodge the spotlight in your conversations. Remember, sometimes the most powerful impact comes from those who aren't in the spotlight. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.